Howdy YouTube, Darlington Farm here. Well, as you are gonna see here, and as you can see behind me, I need to stay the hell off eBay.
Hi, Daddy.
And there's Lindsay. Yeah, so I bought a Matsuura.
Something happened. Someone screwed up.
Yeah, we'll get to that in a minute. Okay, so MC-760V. Pretty sweet machine, was working when I bought it. It is actually funny. See if you can read that. It is actually 1 month younger than me. 30 tool changer, or 30 tool changer. Cool, it was working when I got it. You'll notice my Z-axis servo up there doesn't have any wires to it. Thanks to the monkey running the forklift who owned the company I bought it from. Yeah, not real happy about that one. It's kind of one of those deals though, I got it so cheap. I basically paid scrap price for it, so, you know, kind of hard to complain, but at the same time, it's like, it worked, and now I gotta find this servo up here and replace all the wires and crap, so I'm pretty pissed off about that one. We ended up having to lift it vertical with a big pipe, piece of DOM right there that I'm standing on. And yeah, it is a load for this trailer. But anyway, yeah. So the controller is a Yaznak. If anybody has any information on these guys or where I could find a manual, I'd appreciate it, or where I could buy a damn servo and the wiring to go with it. Yeah, I guess I can pull the plastic off the controller. This guy's kind of old, but like I said, it was still in operation when I got it.
www.wordsteel.com.
So yeah, anyway. Yeah, it was a cool machine. I hope I can actually get a enough parts going to get it up and going. Yeah, anyway, yeah, I got a little bit of video of unloading it, or not unloading it, loading it there from before the guy kind of went crazy with the forklift. And yeah, anyway, I gotta see if I can get this off here and see if I can borrow an excavator, because I don't think I'm gonna be able to slide this off of my tractor.
Daddy,
Anyway, I'm Darlington Farm. Thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to click that subscribe button.